Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to restore backup from Google Drive in 2025. Whether you've switched phones, lost data, or just want to recover important files, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and easily. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for backups, and restoring them is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and are signed into the correct Google account on the device where you want to restore the backup. This is crucial because backups are tied to your account. Step 1. Open the Google Drive app on your Android device or visit drive.google.com on your web browser. Sign in if you haven't already. Step 2. In the app or website, head to the Backups section. By 2025, Google might have refined the interface, but look for a folder or section labeled with your device's name or the app you backed up from. Step 3. Locate the specific backup file you want to restore. It could be something like a app file for Android backups. Tap on it to select it. Step 4. For Android devices, go to your phone's settings app, then navigate to System or About Phone, and find the Backup section. There, you'll see an option to restore from Google Drive. Step 5. Select the backup file and follow the on-screen prompts. This might involve confirming your selection, downloading the data, and allowing the restore process to complete. Keep in mind, this could override existing data, so double-check everything first. If you run into issues, like errors or slow speeds, try restarting the app, checking your storage space, or ensuring your Google Drive has the latest updates. And that's it, you've successfully restored your backup. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.